Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I have for you another micarta knife. Yeah, this is the year of the micarta here on my channel, so let's start. So we have the marvelous MR585. Okay, so we have a standard marvelous packaging with this nice orange, and in the box we have a nylon pouch and silica packet. Okay, so firstly, let me put the knife out so you can see the knife, not to wait too long on it. And the name of the knife is strangely brown linen micarta medium lockback. I don't know what's going on with the names. I will stick to MR585 just because this is no way linen micarta. It is a step between canvas and almost burlap, because the spaces between the fibrous material they use some kind of maybe they even use some kind of coffee or potato sack. I don't know. It is what it is. It is micarta and it has to be featured here on my channel just because I could get my hands on, and they are fairly inexpensive, of course. So I do like to feature these knives here on my channel. Okay, so we have an over length of 20 centimeters or 7.9 inches. The blade is 8.6 centimeters or 3.4 inches long, with the width of 2.2 centimeters or 0.9 inches. The thickness is 2.7 millimeters or 0.1 inch. The handle is 11.5 centimeters or 4.5 inches long, with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches. Construction, we have 440A nice stone washed blade. Thank you very much for that. It will definitely help out with the EDC aspect of this knife. Also we have which I would say not regarding that the little hole right there, this is a full liner construction, so no milled out pockets, or maybe one right there. Who knows why it is? Maybe, I don't know, there is nothing on the other side. Anyway, we have a backlog construction, and this is very smooth knife, so you can basically open it in one hand. So smooth it is. No blade play. This is nice, no blade play whatsoever. Backlog construction, smooth transition right here. And for some reason they opted for these cutouts. I don't know why they done this, but it is. We have a little bit more screws right here, no linear hole. The micarta has a really interesting coloring. It looks like we have hues of brown, black, even something like coffee or orange here. Yeah, definitely nice looking. But let me tell you, uh, if you pick up a micarta knife, so obviously right now I have gloves on here, but if you pick up micarta knife, you can definitely feel the texture, and of course you can feel the warmth, and it's really hard to explain, but different micartas have different feelings, tactile features. This one looks something between coarse and almost like you would call it rough. Maybe it does because it is blasted and not polished, or there is not treatment with any oils or anything. But I can tell you that I have handled lots and lots of micartas, but this would be probably even somewhere below the OG Chinese micarta that is used on this Kaiser pinch. So Yeah, maybe Marbles did find a manufacturer who does produce the cheapest but not as plasticky feeling micarta that some of those cheap knives do. So yeah, who knows? Maybe if you do own the knife and see this video, then chime in and let me know what is your um, experience or feelings with this micarta, because I don't know. I know definitely it would be not my preferred carry. That it's straight up there. I really like the click point blade shape with this really nice stonewash, like I mentioned, nailing opening. But yeah, this is so smooth. You don't even need the nail clip. Definitely no half stove, of course. Yeah. Okay. Let's talk about the sharpness. So out of the box, this is nicely and decent sharp. I feel a little bit of toothiness to the edge, but if you have any kind of strop or ceramic crook sticks, you can or a hone or a strap, you can put the crazy sharp edge to it. 440A does do that, but it tends to not to hold a sharp edge for long. But let's face it, this is a knife that cost you $19.99. That is the price from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. They own the brand. So if you are buying it somewhere else, you maybe have to pay a little bit more, but it's up to you. Okay, so we have model number made in China on one side, Marlboro's laser engraved logo on the other side, and nothing more. The weight comes at 104.4 grams or 3.7 ounces, so definitely this is not that heavy. And it just reminds me on some old buck designs that they have, but with a more canted upside down handle shape. So it will fit really nicely in hand, but even through the gloves, I cannot express the different feeling of the material that I have when I'm touching this one. So yeah. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So let's start with this is the Kubi Aries, a much more refined but much more expensive knife on the table. Then here, of course, is one of the most high-end micartas you can get. This is a Norplex micarta made in the USA. On this full-size G-slip. Another great micarta for good price is the Petrified Fish Beluga, the PF01. I can say only good things about Kaiser and the linen micarta that used on this baglighter too, but they have different variants with different micartas available. Some are unfortunately exclusives. Let's see the Kaiser Pinch. This is what probably everything started with this with this micarta on this Kaiser Pinch. One of the first production that Kaiser used. Okay, let's continue with a burlap style micarta on this Bucksprint Pro. More common used micarta on this QSP Penguin and also CVV Elementum. By Knife Center commissioned exclusive Red Model 1 in canvas micarta. There is the bonfire with the smooth green micarta, also canvas style or type. Let's see, one of the best examples of a good Chinese micarta used on a knife. This is the model 301 from Tucson, as you can see there. Okay, here is the CVV rustic gent in burlap micarta. A large cryptilian, benchmade, Sparco Delica, Kershaw Blur, $9.40 from benchmade. Here's the Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the value. So yeah, you can not go around the price. For $20 you are getting a pouch, a decent sturdy box, and the knife itself. Yeah, let's face it, if the pouch was not there and they put a pocket clip, it could probably go with the price a little bit down at around, let's say, $15 or $14.99. For $14.99, this will be a really nice bargain. But even at $20, if you are looking for a sturdy, nice, decent sized backlog, then it should be fine. But I just I cannot just lose the feeling about the micarta. The micarta looks, uh, I don't know, it looks different or feels different. Also, it looks different. Also, it feels different, like anything else that I handled. And I cannot say it is a good feeling. Maybe something on a more neutral, or maybe a little bit negative. I don't know. Maybe if you are using it and it will soak up on some kind of finger oils and so on, it will have a better feeling. But now I just have this yeah, strange feeling about when I'm touching the knife. That is what I would like to pick out, to share my experiences, or let's say not my experiences because I have not used the knife, but just that you know that what you can probably expect if you did use previous or other knives with micarta. So this will feel a little bit strange, and if you have the knife, then I would be really happy if you could chime in and share your experience or feelings about the knife. Okay, with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave the comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much, big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider to be one to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding minor hobbies like watches and miniature painting and Warhammer and so on. Okay, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.